Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be hopefully a how to repair video on a Power Wizard PW12000. This unit we have worked on before. Not sure when, because the stickers are on there all faded, so I don't know how long it's been since we worked on it, but worked on it at some point in time. But the note says was working fine all summer, and then suddenly no output. It says you can hear a rhythmic buzzing noise on the inside unit, so not sure what that means, but we're going to tear in this thing and see if we can get it going. So if you got one of these things, wants to take a look at, be happy to take a look at for you. But as you can hear, something's broke on the inside. So let's see what we can. It smells funny.
Yeah, it's got a kit in it. It's new. I mean, it's 18, so.
Okay.
Let me let this run and I'll pull it up and check it on.
Okay. Now, Power Wizard, for the most part, it's a pretty good brand. They make some private label stuff for some other companies like Dare and some Kenco. I think there's some other ones out there. Maxim. There's a few of them out there. Where's this? Oh, that's off the back of this bolt. Or back of the capacitor. Stud mount capacitor, and the freaking stud broke. Uh-oh. If there's anything else running around inside here. Just some plastic crap. Well, let's plug it in. See what it does. Well, it's weird. It's not clicking, but it's definitely cycling. Let's check this capacitor first. Let me discharge it. Don't know if I had to charge it or not, but I'm taking any chances. See, this is a 60 microfarad, so let's put a meter on the capacitor setting. See if it reads 60. .53, so that's good enough to make it run. So capacitor's not our issue. So I'll set this to the side for a second. Let's check the transfer's got a lot of cracks in it. So these little cracks all over the place. It could just be age, stress, or it could be bad. I don't know. How old is this unit? July 2015 is when it was manufactured. I don't know what we did to it originally. I didn't look it up. Let's we'll all mount the transformer primary side first. Let's see, it is there to there, should be 0 to 1. Okay, primary of the transformer is okay, so our issues in the board most likely. Let me start with anyways. Well, what that's supposed to read. Let's see. Not sure if that's good or not. Well, let's go see if I got another board for these things. Alright, give me just a moment. Alright, here's the new board. Alright, get these wires plugged on. Capacitor wires plugged on. Let's get this, got kind of a tangle going on here. Huh?
Try a board, I guess. It's just humming.
Humming, yeah. Scare you?
Yeah, a little bit. 2000.
Mom's calling. It's probably done. Should probably call Jennifer or you next. You can call her if you want.
Okay. So you're heading right back? Okay. I can make lunch. Yeah. Alright, honey. Well, be careful. Call when you get there. We'll come up or something. Or I'll just wait till it goes ding. And I'll run you back. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. This is out in, was west of Spokane. Spokane? Back on I-90. He must be heading to.
Alright, so that one's good to go.
He's heading for Portland or Seattle.
Alright, so now we have to figure out what we're going to do about this capacitor not being able to sit back where it needs to in the back of this little thing. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to drill some holes. Hey, can I borrow your drill? My drill's at the house.
Yeah.
I just saw it by the, I think it's by the fish tank. I'll go behind it. Then we're at 4, 5, or 6 boards working there. They're up in the red ones up above you. One's got SE boards, one's got mark boards in it. It might be 2 left.
Well, I'll keep looking for them.
Well, we can look at the part number because I don't know what it is. That one had the number on it, didn't it? But had the part number on it. Where's the booklet?
Oh, 58102.
It'd probably work. Well, all those boards in there. Does it?
It's the only one that's got everything with it.
Yeah, I've got some more boards coming. Well, I told you I ordered parts Thursday or Friday.
This is what I'm gonna put in. 581.
We're basically done with this unit. Put this, it's not caulking, it's some kind of sealant stuff. It was 3M's Fast Cure 5200. It's like it turns to a rock. It takes a little bit for it to harden up, but give it like an hour and it's basically almost fully cured, and it turns to almost a rock. And just waterproof it and everything. So that's what we did on that one. Well, that's it for this little video. We're going to plug it in over here with a load, let it run for a little while, but I think we're good to go. We won't put a load on it, let it run for the rest of today and maybe overnight and tomorrow morning. We'll see how things are going, but it should be good to go. These things usually either work or they don't. They usually don't have any intermittent things that fail randomly. So, well, that's it for now. Until next time, we'll see you guys later on.